Welcome, today I am with Google Pixel 6 and I'm going to check all box accessories. I will just show you what you can find inside. So let's take a look. For sure we have the phone itself. And here we can find the USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-C. The next one is a USB-C and USB-A adapter. And in this place, we can find the user manual, some kind of the paperwork. And for sure, right here at the bottom, the SIM tool. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.